So, 'tis the season. We're all stuffy. And this guy is my favorite, our immunity for the whole family. So I literally call them the wellness shots, and the children come line up and get their wellness shot. There you go, sir.
Yeah.
Here. You gotta add more water though.
Yes,
okay?
Mommy. Yes, Mommy.
It's
Move,
not.
move,
Okay,
Mommy.
Rosa. Do you want a wellness?
Mommy, here.
Anyways,
Mommy.
has elderberry, zinc,
I want to put a little bit more.
and yeast. So it's got the
I
gut,
put a little bit more.
probiotics,
I
and
put a
just
little bit
the immune.
more
So
in mine.
I'm just telling you, if you
Mommy,
got a
I
family and
wanna put
kids,
a
you need
little
this for
bit
this time of year.
more.
I'll leave my discount link below.